How's it going, guys? Today I'll be drawing a LoFi Angel girl. Came to me, this inspiration came to me in a couple models I've seen on Instagram, CG generated, or AI generated, but I wanted to do my own version. And so she'll be sitting there chilling. I used a variety of charcoal products: pressed charcoal, willow charcoal, fine charcoal, woodless charcoal pencil, white charcoal, which is just chalk, by the way. And I had a little fun with this one. At the end, and my apologies for not catching it, the night I finished this video, I went back and used a little pastel colors on her hair. Unfortunately, you don't get to see that, but you do see it at the end, at least. This was a very complicated drawing. Some of the objects in the background are just came to me. Just trying to draw something that, you might see on the LoFi music channel or something like that. So I'll let the video do the rest of the talking, and I appreciate it. appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed the process. Again, my apologies for not catching the pastel colors, but I will next time for sure. I like to experiment a little bit here and there. Whether it be adding a little bit of UV paint, various colors, or pastel in this case. That's what I like to. That's what I like to combine with charcoal and just experiment a little bit. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.